Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can retouch your face using Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open my Photoshop application, and after that we're going to choose a photo we want to add it, and I'm going to edit this photo for example. Okay, and if you want to retouch your face, you can go to the retouch menu. You can click on this face menu, and here you'll be able to add your face, your lips, nose, eyes, and also the contour. And I'm going to edit the nose. I'm going to change the height. I'm just going to make it like this. And we can also change the width as well. For the width, I'm going to decrease it. And you can also change the lips, but I'm just going to skip this part. And I'm going to change the eyes. I'm going to make it bigger. So I'm just going to increase it like this. And for the tilt, I'm going to increase it. And the last one, I'm going to edit the contour. We can add the chin, cheek, and also the forehead. And you can adjust it according to your needs. And I'm going to add the cheek. I'm going to make it sharper. Okay, and for the chin. Okay. And this is the result guys, and once you're ready to save the editing, you can click on this icon and the photo will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to retouch our face using Photoshop Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.